Good evening, all of you. Welcome to the LKP post market commentary session. This is Swati, and I will be discussing on equities. Today, Indian market recoupled some of its previous day losses with the Sensex closing nearby its psychological mark, that is around 20,000 levels. The short covering in the many of its beaten down stocks and the value buying in the FMCG pace helped the market to sustain in a green territory. But the gain was the cap due to the further fall in the banking and the metal shares. Today, the Hindustan Unilever was the star performer. The share soaring 12% intraday to touch the record high of 698 rupees on rebalancing the stock weightage by the FTSE and the MSCI index in their indices. From the result corner, today the HDFC Bank came up with their quarterly result and disappointed the street with its assets quality performance during the month of the April and the June. Finally, the stock today closed down by a 5% at 660 odd levels. If we look towards the overall market breadth today, the overall breadth was the weak. The interest rate sensitive stocks like banking, auto, and the realty continue to witness the heavy selling pressure. It was overall the volatile trading day as the index volatility end up at the 19.36 levels, up by 2% today. Today, finally, the Nifty closed at 5973 odd levels, up by 18 points, whereas the Sensex closed at 19,948 levels, up by 97 points. Among the sector specific today, the FMCG consumer durable good was on a green territory, was up by 1 to 3%, whereas the bankex and the metal sector was down by 1 to 3% today. As I mentioned, the market breadth was negative today on the NSE front. 457 stock advances, whereas 726 stocks declines, while the only 52 stocks remains unchanged. Coming to a technical part on the Nifty, today Nifty had a gap up opening after the government hiked the FDI in 13 sectors, including the 100% in the telecom and the higher caps in the insurance and the defense sector. However, the Nifty saw a free fall in the post lunch. It had stacked the recovery from the intraday's low, but we have to just thanks to the index heavyweight stocks like the HUL. Today, the HUL was up by almost 12 to 13% on an intraday basis. It was yet another but bearish session for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was fall more than the 2% today. It has just crashed nearly a 5% in the previous trading session after the RBI announced a measure to curb the rupee depreciation. Currently, the Bank Nifty is trading below the 11,000 psychological mark on the spot basis, indicates a cautious signs. However, the Nifty is respecting our mentioned support level, that is 5880 level, which was just mentioning from the last 2 to 3 days, that as long as Nifty sustains above the 5880 levels, our view remains bullish and we believe that the uptrend is intact. So on the another flip side, on the upside, the 6050 will act as an immediate resistance level. So overall, the outlook for the Nifty, or say the outlook for the tomorrow, I will suggest the traders to hold their long position as long as Nifty trades above the 5880 levels and maintain the strict stop losses for any long positions of 5880 mark. I think that's it from my side. Have a great evening, guys. Thank you.